So today we're adding integers using a number line. There are two different ways to model combining or adding integers. One way is with integer chips. The second way is on the number line. Today you will learn how to add integers using a number line. So if we look back at the model that we used from the time that we were little kids, this would represent that you would start at 0, of course always start at 0, and you would go up and it's 3 positive. So I'm going to go, 3 positive. And then I'm going to show that I'm adding 2 more. And the 2 is positive, so I'm going to continue in the same direction. And so I go 1, 2. And so my answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we know that 3 plus 2 is 5. We don't need a number line to tell us that, but this gives you an idea of what it looks like. This is the first number that is given in the answer in the sentence. And then this is the second number, and we're adding to it. Now, let's get to where we are working with negatives. So this number tells me to start at 0 and go -4. So here I am, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's showing -4. Now I need to go a -5. And so I'm adding, so I'm going to continue on, and it's negative, so I have to go to the left. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so I have my first number a little bit higher, my second number. And so I go -4 plus -5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. -9. Okay? So you understand this represents the first number, this represents the second number. And they're both negative. Now let's make it a little bit more fun with dealing with negative and positive. So I still start at 0, and I'm going to go over just 1, -1, so I'm going to go to the left. And then it says +5. So I have to go 5 to the right because it's positive. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what did I land at? Here's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Because I went 1 negative first. So the difference is 4. And if I did the model of this, like we did with the integer chips today, this would be my 0 pair, and my answer would be 4 positives, and that's what this shows, is 4 positives. Now, we're going to show 7, that's my first number, so I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My little arrow showing that I went to the right because it's positive. And -9, I'm going to go to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here's my first number. Here's my second number. My answer is where that line comes, and it's -2. And again, if I want to look at my integer chips, I've got 9 negatives. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 positives. 0 pair, 0 pair, 0 pair, 0 pair, 0 pair, 0 pair, 0 pair. And so my answer is -2. -2. So I can show it both ways. So now we're going to look at looking at a number line and picking out the sentence that, or the equation that matches it. So the first number in my equation is going to be -6 because it is on the bottom. And then top, I'm going positive, and I'm adding, and I'm going positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I'm landing on what? And so if you look at the answers, I'm landing on 6 here. So which letter represents the equation that matches that? And many times you'll just be given the picture and you'll have to match the equation. So here's your homework check. You can choose to use integer chips or a number line to model these. Of course, in your Google form, you're just going to put your number answer, but you need to have your models to show how you did it. And then number 3 is a review question. So this will be the end of adding integers number line.